Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to upload bulk products to your WooCommerce store quickly and efficiently. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to be able to execute a lot of the tasks I'm going to say, you're gonna have to pay for a WordPress subscription. To do that exactly. But as you can see, I didn't pay for the plan, but I'll guide you through the process verbally and you can follow my instructions and you'll be able to accomplish the task you want. In this case, it's to upload the bulk products in WooCommerce. Now let's go back to home. You can buy the the, the domains here and you can select the plan you want. Now for the first step is to prepare your product lists. Create a spreadsheet using softwares like Excel, add columns for product name, description, price, SKU, stock status, etc. and save it as a CSV file. For the second step is to import the CSV file into WooCommerce. Now, you have to log into your WordPress account, and to do so, just go to your WordPress website with wordpress.com and enter your account credentials and log in. Now, after logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboards. After that, go to products here, search for products if you can find them. Now for the products, you'll be able to find them in the WooCommerce here once you pay for the subscription here. You click on Start New Store, and then you follow the prompts and fill in the informations and you pay for the subscription. Once you do that, you access products in WooCommerce and click Import. After that, you upload your CSV file and map the column to the WooCommerce fields. And then click Run the importer. Now for the third step is to review and edit the imported products. After importing, check your product lists to ensure everything looks correct. Make manual edits if needed. And that's it. If you follow these instructions, you'll be able to upload bulk products in WooCommerce. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.